Damn cows. Disgusting. Hello. Good, how are you doing? Fantastic. So you're coming up tomorrow? Yes, good. Yes, I'll take you up in the helicopter. What's that? Yes, you can bring your friend. That's fine, that's fine. Just be at the helipad around 5 p.m. tomorrow evening. Good, fantastic. See you then. Not bad, kid. You did a good job bringing her up. With some more work, you'll be the best. And with my training, keep it steady and head east. You know I like you boys. You don't say much, but it's reassuring to have such good people flying with you in these dark times. You know, I heard just last week a group of cows hijacked a plane. Can you believe that? Fuckers think just because they taste so damn good they can do whatever they want. It's utterly preposterous. What do you boys think? Exactly. That's what I've been saying all these years. Goddamn cows think they own the world. But I'll tell you one thing. There'll never be any cows on this motherfucking helicopter. Those big-nosed, farm-smelling, dairy-making, fucking full-stomach, they're doo-doo in the shape of pies. I hate them. If I had it my way, I'd tip every last one of them. You go ahead and take the controls and keep on heading east. Wait, what the hell are you doing? Easy now. There's no need for violence. We're all human adults here. You son of a bitch. You're hijacking the wrong man. I'm an American, the human American. And I'll be damned if some cows tell me what to do. I'm an American! Damn cows! I'm an American! Gals on a motherfucking helicopter. But I got them. I won. Damn cows, I got them. What's going on? Are you taking me to a hospital? Ha 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 ha!